In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect Google AdSense to a hosting or site. First, create an AdSense account. Go to google.com/AdSense. Then, sign up and add your hosting or site URL. Submit your application and wait for approval. Then, get AdSense code. After signing up, copy the AdSense code snippet. You'll need to add this code to your site's head section. Now, add code using hosting or site. If you're using WordPress, go to WordPress dashboard, appearance, theme file editor, then header.php. Paste the code before head, then save. If using hosting or website builder, open hosting or builder, edit website, settings, integration, or custom code. Paste the code in the head section, then publish. Then, submit for a review. Return to AdSense and click I've pasted the code. Wait for Google to review and approve your site. Then, once approved, create ads in AdSense by site or ad units. Copy and paste new ad codes into your site wherever you want ads to show. And that's it. That's how easy to connect Google AdSense to a hosting or site.